Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning here, and I'm pretty sure some of you are shitting your pants at the moment because it's the end of the world, right? Crypto down 10% and so, Bitcoin down below 100,000, S&P down 1.5%, pre-market, Nasdaq down 2%, and everything is looking gloomy if you look at all these social media forums. Now, whatever is happening is good for you. It's good for me. It's good for those people buying crypto. It's good for those people betting on the Bitcoin industry. And it's good for every single person looking for volatility. It was inevitable, guys, that this would happen, that China would come out to compete with the US AI market. And that's why the market sold off, because China released its own ChatGPT version. Imagine a ChatGPT version crashes a market. So that tells you how much money has been concentrated in AI or betting on AI. And it's so dumb to bet on AI in 2025. Because, do you really think you're the only country that's going to produce AI related tools and instruments and whatnot, when there's the second largest economy out there that can do it cheaply, and it's just going to sit there and wait for you guys to overtake it? Like, there's a healthy competition, but money was just too concentrated on AI that it actually sucked liquidity from a lot of these legacy stocks, old stocks, that most of you guys probably look at and invest in. And it sucked liquidity from crypto coins, from Bitcoin, because AI was this thing that was taking a lot of money, right? Look at Nvidia, Palantir. I mean, there's a lot of people who, I'm sorry to say this, who don't deserve to have money because they just, they're just too reckless with it, and they chase. I guess there's these YouTubers out there who are telling them AI is going to be the future, and they create these stories in their head. And China just came out and said, "Hold my beer. Let me show you guys how dumb you are." And there we go. The market crashed as a result. Well, we don't want to say crash, but sold off heavy. Now, why is this good for you? Because as money exits from these AI-focused sectors, and money that's AI-focused, it exits those. They usually will look for another instrument to make money in, and they just automatically drift to something that has history, or that has history of making money consistently, but also stupid money. And that's crypto, of course. That's Bitcoin. So you guys in the Bitcoin sector, your Bitcoin stocks, mining stocks, your crypto coins, I think that's going to be here. That was the bet when I entered 2025. And look, money will probably go back into real estate as well. So don't get scared in that regard, seeing crypto selling off like this, for those of you who are holding bags of crypto. And look, I'm talking about crypto these days because to me it's just like stocks, right? It's just like, as a matter of fact, it's safer than stocks. It's safer than an AI stock at the moment that's all-time high with valuation of 80. So it's really stupid to see people buying these stocks that have high valuations. So where do we go from here? Well, the bust is not yet. There is a boom and bust that's coming for AI and tech, but not yet, because there's data centers out there, and there's a lot of investments that are going to be out there that's going to require AI, and it might take a year or two for a bust to happen, maybe more, and maybe less. I don't know the timing exactly, but I could just say it's not yet. I think there's just an overreaction, but it's stupid to not think China's not going to compete with the US and try to take some of that dominance away from it. It's the second largest economy that can produce at a cheap rate. And I think it's time for you Americans to really understand that, and not feel like you're the only one on this earth. There's other economies out there, and there's other money out there that can compete with the US. But Trump wants to be the number one person or number one country, so he'll do his best to relax the economy for you guys and certain industries. Look, here's where we're going from here. I'm loving this sell-off, even though I have money invested, because it just means that it's wiping out a couple of people, noobs, dumb, leveraged people. All the long positions on leverage, all the top buyers, all the money that's concentrated on one bet. Like, I'm betting on AI is going to be the future. Suddenly now, reality check. Money's going to flow out, and then it will just go back to crypto and what people deem to be something that has history of performing. And that's good for you, for me, For those of you of us betting on Bitcoin mining on this channel, which a lot of you are watching, betting on, by the way. So don't be scared. It takes time. There's Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday. We'll see what happens. But this sell-off is just one of the sell-offs that we might get in 2025 or 2026. But now you see how things can turn within a flash, guys. Within an hour, I went to sleep, I woke up, everything's down 10%. I mean, they can change within seconds, within minutes, guys. So when you invest, you have to tick a couple of boxes. Number one, if you buy something and it sells off because of overall broader market sell-offs, will it recover? Tick that off. If it's yes, you put it on the buy list. If you buy something and it drops in value, will it get delisted eventually? You tick that off. If no, you add that to the buy list. If you buy something and it goes bankrupt, will it go bankrupt? If the answer is no, you put it on the buy list. And eventually, you answer the final question, will people want this from you in the future? Will they want to buy it from you in the future? If the answer is yes, you put it on the buy list. And you make your decision. You buy it, you leave it. Volatility will happen. Later on, guys, you've got time on your side. Time is your best friend. You will never lose if you tick these boxes and you just wait. Okay? That's me done. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully this quick video helped you. I might drop 2 videos today or this week, and the next video will be on day trading. And I think a lot of you want to know how to do it, especially now with all this volatility. Make your bet on the future with what I just said here, the 4 points I just talked about in regards to picking your stocks and cryptos, and wait. That's it. Stay busy meanwhile, and if you want to stay busy day trading, I'm here to help you guys as always. Peace and love as always, and I'll see you next time.